Okay everybody, welcome to this month's video. This month's video is on the golf ball tee setter. We're going to do the front and the back first, and the tools that we will need for it are this 1-inch ball bit, 1/2-inch upcut spiral bit, and a 1/4-inch upcut spiral bit. These are the bits that we're going to use for the front and the back. So here we go. Okay, for the first operation on the front side, this is a two-sided operation, and in the center of this project is two pieces, a front and a back. And it's got a groove in it for the ball to roll down. First operation we're going to do is our alignment holes. So we need a 1/4-inch upcut bit, and I've got that installed. So the next thing we need to do is set our Z height. So we're going to move it over the top of the material. Put in our touch plate. Bring it down a little bit. Hit plate, say OK, touch it, get a red screen, bring it down. We're all set to run our program. Turn on the dust collection. Okay, go to USB, go to Golf Setter, and we want to go to the front. Or I'm sorry, want to go USB, you want to go back, and we need to go to the alignment pockets. Bottom left, which we are, material surface, which we did, 1/4-inch end mill, we're okay there. Next, okay, start. Okay, we're now ready to go to our 1/2-inch up spiral bit. For the balls to roll down. So let's get on with it. First thing we need to do is go to plate, say OK, touch to get the red screen, say OK. We've got our Z height set. Turn on the dust collection and load the program. Go to USB. We want to do our point back 5 profile. Bottom left, material surface, 1/2-inch end mill. Okay, start. Okay, we're now ready to run our 1-inch ball bit. This is to make the trough for our golf ball to come down our slide here. So we got to set the Z height. We're going to bring it over the top of the material. Put our touch plate in. Bring it down to the touch plate, or close to the touch plate. Go to plate, make our connection, say OK. Our Z height is now set, and we can run the program. Go to USB. We want our ball back profile. I don't know which one we want. This is the one we want. 1-inch ball bit. Next. Start it. Start the dust collection. Okay, welcome back everybody. We are now going to do the machining on the side. We're going to use a 3/8 inch up spiral cut bit. This is going to cut the pockets out and the profile. So let's get our Z height set, and we can get ready and get on with running the program. So let's put our touch plate in position. Bring our bit over. Let's bring it down. Go to touch plate, say OK. Touch to make sure we got a good connection. Say OK. It has now made our Z height. Say OK, and now we're ready to run our program. Okay, go to USB, our golf setter. We're on the side. Do our pocket, material surface, bottom left, and we're using a 3/8 inch bit. Go to next, say OK, start it. Let's go ahead and turn our dust collection. This is two-sided machining the arm. This is a 10-step process. Happy carving! Okay, folks, welcome back to this segment. This segment we are going to be doing the other parts that are needed for this golf ball setter. So we've got a double-sided operation going on. The first thing we're going to start out is with our 1/4 inch upcut end mill, then we'll go to a 3/8 upcut end mill, and then we'll go to a round over bit, flip it over, and then do a 3/8 end mill, upcut end mill, and a we will flip it over, and then we will use our 3/8 upcut end mill, and then we will use our 1/4 round end mill. So let's get on. The first thing we need to do is set the Z height for this 1/4 inch bit. So let's go ahead and put our plate in and go over and bring it down a little bit. Go to plate, say OK, bring the plate up to touch to get the red screen, say OK. Remove the plate, accept that, go to USB, and we are going to go to the alignment holes first. You notice that we're on the surface, bottom left, down, 1/4 inch end mill, and the tool paths are the alignment holes. Select next, say OK, and we're ready to run. Okay, we got our alignment holes done. Now we're going to go over to top parts, top golf setter parts tab. That should be a 1/4 inch end mill, which it is. So we get to do our holes, our parts. Surface, bottom left. Next. Okay, now we're ready to run our 3/8 bit. So let's go ahead and set our Z height. Bring it down a little bit. Go to plate, say OK, bring it up to touch, say OK, remove the plate, say OK to the results, go to USB, go to bottom profile, material surface bottom left, that's all fine, 3/8 inch bit, that's fine, say OK. Now we're ready to start our dust collection and start the program. Okay, I got a 1-inch ball in here. We're ready to do that. So we need to set our Z height. Go to plate, say OK, touch. Got our red screen. Say OK, accept, remove our plate. We're ready to run this program. Okay, we're ready to do our 1/2 inch radius roundover bit. I've got the bit loaded in the plate there. All we got to do is set our Z height. So let's go to plate, say OK, get our red screen, say OK. Our Z height is set. We're now ready to run the program. Turn on the dust collection and load the program. Okay, in this segment we're going to make 1/4 inch holes in the spoil board. So let's set our bit up and get on with it. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, in this segment we're going to do the other side of this parts board. I've got my 3/8 upcut bit in, and we are now ready to set the Z height. Go to plate, say OK, touch to get a grid screen, say OK, remove the plate, accept the results. Now we're ready to turn on the dust collection and run our program. Okay, we're in the last operation of the parts. Is a roundover. So let's set our Z height and run the program. Okay, we're ready to go. Run the program, run the dust collection. And that concludes the machining for our golf ball setter. Please stay tuned and watch our finishing and assembly videos. And as always, support all of our sponsors: Next Wave Automation, Ken Craft Company, the Woodworkers Candy Store, Crystal-Lak, and of course, Silverback Woodworking. Thank you for watching.